Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're actually going to be doing a diffuser install. My wife got me for Father's Day, and what it is just basically a piece that comes down and extends. I guess this is a diffuser, your rear bumper, and as air travels underneath your car, when you go fast enough, it'll actually lift your car. So what it does is it'll help break up any of that lift, reduces turbulence and all kinds of stuff, and plus it looks really good. So yeah, just what we're gonna do, well, what I've already started doing is pretty much clean this up with alcohol, like some rubbing alcohol, and that way what we can do is we're gonna take these little 3M double-sided adhesive, we're gonna stick it on here, we're gonna stick it basically anywhere the diffuser touches that rear bumper, and ultimately at the end we're gonna go ahead and screw it like right over here. I don't know if you can see, but there's specific tabs that's gonna like set in here, and we're gonna screw it in, and it's gonna be super secure. So stay tuned. Me and my wife, we're gonna knock this out. I wonder where this goes. Check this out. So the diffuser comes straight on here, and will literally sit right there.
Okay, cool. Yeah, looks good.
That's gonna. So anywhere this diffuser touches, we need to
Adhesive on it.
Yeah, we need to glue it. We pretty much need to glue it, and then go under here. There's these two tabs. We're gonna go ahead and screw into these two tabs. So I got these clips, and I wonder if these are for that. These are where the clips go, and we can actually just fasten them, and it'll keep like the plastic from breaking. I'm hoping. As you guys can see, they're trying to get this double-sided tape on the inside of here. And anywhere in here that touches, that comes into contact with the bumper. Ready to do this?
See my hot sheet right there? Gotta have those hot sheets. Extra. I said, look at my hot Cheeto pieces.
Oh my god, product placement.
Product placement. And put a bag of hot Cheetos.
So, just so you guys know, my wife got this for me for Father's Day. I know you're jealous, but don't be. It's all love. Good morning, everybody. So, check it out. I'm gonna reveal it to you guys. Let me know what you think. You gotta put it on last night. So as you can tell, we got all these little screws in. So now this baby's secure. The diffuser is in. As the air flows through here, it gets broken up and dispersed. So yeah. So tell me, is that not all good or what? Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, and follow. Later.